Welcome to our channel. This is our study time edition. Good day, viewers. Today's video is about quantitative and qualitative research. Let us identify the difference between quantitative and qualitative research. For us to easily understand the similarities and differences between the two research methods, which are the qualitative and quantitative research, here are the short definition of terms that we need to be familiar with. First, we have the contact time, the period when the researcher interacts with the research subjects or participants to obtain relevant information. Hypothesis predicts the relationship between variables that can be tested by scientific research. Outlier, a statistical observation in a set of data that is inconsistent with the majority of the data. Output, replicability, capable of repetition, imitation, or reproduction. Research instrument, a measurement tool designed to obtain, measure, and analyze data from research subjects around the research topic. Sample size, the number of subjects to be taken from the target population of the study. Trend, an assumed development in the future that will have a long-term and lasting effect prevailing style or preference. Validity, the functional quality of research instrument on obtaining data and producing results based on the purpose of the study. And also we have variable, any characteristic that can have different values or traits that may vary across research participants. To know more, we will see in this table the difference about the quantitative and qualitative research. The first category is question domains. For quantitative, it should be who, what, when, and where that should be answered in research. And for qualitative, how, what, and why. Second, common sample size. For the quantitative, 150 to 200 plus. And for qualitative, 10 to 15 only for the populations of the study. For the contact time, where quantitative have 10 to 20 minutes and qualitative have 45 to 140 minutes each, for the researcher interacts with the research subjects or the participants. For the validity of quantitative, it is law-oriented, while the qualitative validity is case-oriented. For the variables of quantitative research, it defines relationships and establish general case, while in qualitative research, it describes relationship and establish meaning structures and context. For the outlier category, we have unique positions lost to the way of the average for the quantitative. And for qualitative research, valuable descriptive cases with unique access to average cases. And the last category, we have examples. And for quantitative surveys, numerical counts, statistical analysis, mathematical modeling. And for qualitative, we have interviews, literature content reviews, real-world observations, case studies, and ethnographies. And now, let us have another definition about quantitative research and qualitative research that will allow us to understand more about the difference and their similarities. We have here some examples for quantitative and qualitative research. This can help us to analyze what is qualitative and what is quantitative research using the category given earlier. By reading and analyzing these examples, you can evaluate yourself if you are able to identify the difference between the quantitative and qualitative research.